Oh yeah.
Look at this, look at this. What's going on, people? It is currently 5:06 in the morning, and today I'm really excited because I'm going to be attending my first ever drift day. Me and my girlfriend are going to be going to Santa Pod to attend the Drift What Ya Brung day. Hopefully the car does well. Anyway, we've got a long trip ahead of us, so let's go. The car started rolling forward. Cold morning today, huh? Alright, let's show them the setup. Pretty much we've got 4 wheels in the back, toolkit, jack, gun. Yeah, in the back of mine we've just got 2 wheels and the wheel well held down with some bungees. And here we are, people. We made it. It's 8:11. Just got to Santa Pod Raceway. Some sick cars already here. But yeah, I'm gassed, man. I'm gassed. I can't wait. Just gotta go through the booths now, and then I'm assuming we just set up in the pits, get the cars ready, and then go for the briefing, and then go out and track. I'm really excited. I can't wait. I know I keep saying it, but honestly, I've been wanting to go to a drift event in my own car for so long, and yeah, it's finally happening. So here we go. So we've managed to get a spot in the pits. Got all our tyres and that set up. There's all the tyres. Cars in the pits now. Sick cars here. It's a sold out day today, so it is absolutely packed right now. Just put these on my 17 drift spares, pumped them up to 50 psi. Dry day today, so yeah, we'll keep them at 50, and then we'll see how much grip we've got, if we need to let them down or keep them at that pressure. Cool, so briefing done. The track is officially open now. I think I'm gonna head to the skid pads first. Actually, you know what? Let me do something quickly. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is actually set some goals for myself. So, got my notes up. First thing, 10 donuts clockwise, 10 donuts anti-clockwise, 10 figures of 8, and the last goal would be link the big track. So I don't expect to link the whole big track today. I mean, if I do, it'd be sick, but that might be one for a future drift day. However, the donuts and the figures of 8, I want to try and get them done today. So yeah, I mean, car's all set up now, we're all ready to go, so let's get it. Yeah, so that didn't happen. I actually got way too excited and started doing figures of 8s as soon as we got into the skid pad. I didn't actually use the checklist throughout our whole day, so don't listen to me. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the clips. looks like the tyre is completely on cords now. Yeah, I think they're done. What do you think, Em?
Nah, they're still good.
Yeah, 100k miles left. I think we're going to change these over, and I think I might just go ahead and do the big track, to be honest. Because, yeah, it feels good. It feels good. 40 psi, I think, is where I need to be. Of course, I think we're just going to go ahead and just go on the big track. The car feels good. 40 psi. Just doing the figures of 8, it feels pretty good. So we've had to change the one that was on cords. I've kept the other one. It's bold, but I mean, might as well just use it until it finishes. So yeah, we're gonna go on the big track now, and then yeah, we'll see how we do.
Oh my
Boom. It's a post-track video. Yeah, the track is sick. The track is so sick. Like, most of the track is pretty much linkable, except for that long corner. I think with a Hydra I might be able to. I haven't got 100% confidence yet because it was my first time on that track, but I feel like a few more runs I'd definitely be able to link that. But yeah, we're just in a playpen now, just gonna do some figures of 8. I've just adjusted the handbrake as well, so gonna try see if we could get this working. Might help us out on the big track as well. Film it, let me film it, look. Yeah, we're gone.
Limp mode!
That's that one done. Update time! So it's now the lunch break. So lunch break is from 12:45 to 1:15. Just gonna go to the petrol station, top up some fuel, maybe get like Mackies on the way back or something, and then once we get back, chuck the wheels. Once we get back, chuck the drift spares back on, and then I think just gonna session the main track for the rest of the day. That's where the fun is really. But yeah, it was sick.
Oh yeah.
Look at this. Just went to the Shell garage, fueled up the car, got some lunch as well. Yeah, it's now pretty much 1:30, and I think drifting finishes for today at 4 o'clock. So yeah, I think we're just gonna finish off the tyres we've got on the main track and then call it a day. It's been such a sick experience, man. I've always wanted to do this, and I'm so happy to be doing it now. I'm definitely going to be going to a lot more so there's going to be a lot more content coming as well. I'm just going to finish my lunch and then we'll go back out.
Alex spun out as well, so it's fine.
Oh, yeah, what's going on? We're just going to do the kidney track. I haven't actually been on the kidney track yet, so it'll be nice to see what this is like. And then we'll see if we've got any tyre left to go on the big track anymore. But yeah, it's been such a sick day, man. Honestly, good vibes, good people, the car's done well. Yeah, we'll try this kidney track out and see how we get on. So yeah, that's it people. We pretty much just packed up and left. I didn't want to hang around for too long. We're just out of services now, just had a Subway. I mean, today was amazing. My adrenaline has calmed down a little bit now, so I'm not feeling so hyped up as I was earlier. Whether you're getting into drifting or you're well experienced at drifting, Santa Pod, if you haven't been, is definitely the place to be. Amazing people, amazing staff, amazing vibes, the weather was good, just a good day in general. Really, I'm really happy with how it turned out. The car performed amazing, not really any problems. Probably gonna end the video here. Doing this just makes me want to do so much to the car. Like, I think next, hydro angle kit, strip the car out more, just full on drift car. Yeah, I'm hooked now, I'm hooked. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Definitely going to be going on way more drift days now. Other than that, love.